Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. My name is Michael Randolph, and I'm with the Center for Nonprofit and Community Development. Uh, what we do is provide technical assistance to other nonprofits. We work with them to build them to capacity. Currently, we're in all time zones except with the exception of Mountain Time Zone. Our training includes professional workshops like the one you're attending now, and our related support services that we provide is working with nonprofits to build their organizational capacity as well as their community empowerment. What we do is what's known as a new school, next generation model. That is, we move from the status quo of most nonprofits, and most nonprofits, they depend on grants and they depend on donations in order to exist. I call them begging. We move from that type of status quo to a business model that creates organizational and financial independence. The financial independence that we focus on is known as earned income that result in different streams of income for the nonprofit to bring in as a business model. We offer the most comprehensive and holistic training that gives the student an in-depth knowledge experience that focuses on deal making and creating power. There is no organization that focuses on how does the nonprofit create the deal and how does the nonprofit build the power to capacity. Now, in today's class, we have a total of 40 people that's going to attend. We have 15 that's in here now. So between now and the end of class, we're expecting about a total of 40. They're going to be coming from at least 15 different states. So that being said, I'm going to go ahead and we're going to get started on today's class. Again, good. Everybody, where you from? Give a shout out.
Hi.
River,
Georgia.
Okay, one at a time, please. Go ahead.
Tampa, Florida.
Next.
Tracy Newton, Tampa, Florida.
Next.
Lakeland, Florida.
Next.
Riverview, Florida.
Next.
Tampa, Florida.
Next.
Tampa, Florida.
Lakes, Florida.
Who was that again?
Glendale Lakes, Florida.
Okay, next.
Atlanta, Georgia.
Next.
Tampa,
Alberta, Canada.
Wow.
Oh, Canada up in the house. Now, how you doing, Canada? Next.
Priscilla, London.
London in the house. Next. Okay, I think that's it. We all over the place. Again, I'm glad we didn't have the total number of people that had signed up for this class, because it would have been really wild. But because it's not as many people, does anybody have any questions? Hold on one second.